Hey everyone, it's Tammy, and I literally just got a package from the FedEx man, and it's going to star my pups. Look at how cute. This is a bark box, and it said, "Who's a good dog? Me, me, me." Isn't that cute? So, let's see. I can tell that Waylon, this one's Waylon, is smelling it already. This one's Winnie. What in the world is in here, guys? Is this a box for those bully doggers? What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. What is it? So this is a subscription box that I may do. I used to do a bully box and I didn't particularly care for it. And I think this is the one that I added. Oh, I bought stuff. So hold on, this isn't the subscription box. This is my add-on box, which I will show you. But this is the subscription bark box. So let's see what these doggies do with this. What do you think? So one of them already has a little bit of a bone he's playing with. Oh, what is this? Dance in the sprinkler, it says. You know, when he took the bone, or the toy. That's cute. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh boy. And this says, "I float." So it's a little like seagull thing. And this one floats too, and it says, "What a mellow watermelon." So let's see what this does. Oh, it looks like this even, oh my goodness, that looks fun. And Taz is in on it too. And this says, "Gnarly dude, beef chew." And here is a Quack Dat Chickies chicken recipe dog treats with cranberries and duck. And this is "Have a Cow Dog beef recipe treats with chickpea and carrots." So that is everything that's in the box. This actually seems pretty good so far. Can you see this, guys? Oh my word.
What are you guys doing? Waylon, what are you doing, Waylon?
I might do this once a month. Let me know if this is something that you guys like to see. You want one of these? Which one of these would you want? This one, there's only one. I'd have to split that between all three of you. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to open this one and see if they like it. This is the Quack Dat Chickies. Oh, they're bigger than I expected. They are, you can't see. You like? Tasman, you want to try? You like those? Sit. Good boy. Sit. Good girl. Oh, he moved it over. You're so cute, Waylon. You're just about the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh, the treats are falling down. They got themselves an extra treat. Good boy, Taz. Okay, that's enough for now. I think the treats are a hit. I think they like them. And then let's see what else I got. So I think I might give this to him for Christmas, but I don't know. I'm going to keep some of, oh, sorry guys. I'm gonna keep some of this stuff in the package because, you know, if you give kids too many things at once, it's too much for them, right? So let's see here. This has a fun little mountain goat or something. Oh my. They love squeaker toys, so that's really cute. And then it has these small dozers. It's like a, looks like a frog. I might give them those. I think I got 3 of those, one for each dog. Yes. And then there's also this, which is hot cocoa, and it's treat dispensing, so you put treats inside here and they can get them out. And I thought that this would be a cute, like, Halloween present or something for them since it's hot cocoa. So they're gonna wait on that one. And it recommended these treats to go inside, so I got those. These are New York City Barkland bagels, bacon recipe. And then I thought this was too cute. They're little peas, 3 peas in a pod, and since I have 3 little bully dogs and they all come out. Does this one look fun? Does this one look like fun? You like balls, don't you, Winnie? Oh, Winnie does. She loves to play with balls. You need this one now. Is that what you're telling me? You need this one now? Huh, monkey? Well, let me get the tag off. You can't help it if you need it now, can you? She needs it now. What can I say? Oh my goodness. And then here's a little woolly mammoth thing. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. It says 98% of all dogs agree this is the best toy ever. Oh, that's really cute. So, and it says that we're experts at making stuffed pups rough. So hopefully it will be rough in the fact that it's hard to tear up too, because with 3 billy dogs bullying around, their toys have to be pretty sturdy. So this is Fred the reindeer. Oh my gosh. Yeah, those are definitely going to be Christmassy presents, so I'll put those somewhere else. Those will be for Christmas. But it looks like the treats are a hit. I'll go ahead and give them those. And I'll give them these toad things. I don't even know why I picked out the toads. Kind of looks kind of yuck, but you know, I'm not a dog. Although I remember when we were kids, we would say, if somebody said that we were a dog, we'd say, yeah, we're dynamite, out of sight, and good looking. Crazy. So I got a how-to bark box. But yeah, this is a monthly subscription, and I think it's a hit. So I think you'll be seeing more of these, but let me know if you don't like it, and I can rearrange. But, you know, we're never going to please everybody. But I think that pleases the pups. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.